vacuum test. Let's see if we can back up to that wagon, the grain cart, in one shot. Jack's got to come up. Put a new jack on this thing, so it should come up pretty easy. But I think I'm right in line. Oh yeah. All right, I'll be back. All right, lucky again. I got a piece of, this is actually bed liner material for a semi-trailer. I had Tammy get it for me when she worked at Tri-County. And I slide that in there. And it prevents wear between this plate, the top of the hitch, and the drawbar. When you got this thing loaded, it puts a lot of weight on the tractor. I had to crank it up because my jack sunk down a few inches. So, all right, we'll get this all ready to go. All right, got her all hooked up. Had to use a little persuader to get that shaft to slide on. But we got to check. Oh, this battery's dying. I'll catch up with you in a little bit. Over and out. Well, I'm under here messing with this chute, and I seen a bee. Huh, he's just flying around. No, they're coming out of the other side of the frame right here where this wheel is. And I'm laying underneath there. Boy, he nailed me in the thumb. Another one landed right here in my hair. He didn't get me though. I got him off me first. And maybe he did a little bit. Yeah, he did. So we got some hornet spray. Get out of here. Go on. You don't need to be out here. You listen like a juvenile. Hole right there. Get! Go! Yeah, see that hole? That's where they're at. There's one right there. Get. I gotta pull this thing out from away from all this stuff and get it cleaned out. I'll talk to you in a few. All right. Well, it swelled up for a little while, but I think swelling's going down already. I got everything hooked up. I got everything closed. I got dug out. I got another pile of corn down there underneath of it. So we are going to head to Dad's. All right, I'll catch you later. All right, made her over here to Dad's. I'm actually sitting back here. Semi's parked up there by the road where we backed it in. He's just about got this spot up here done, and then we've got this little spot back here. So I'm gonna hop out and go ride with him and get the truck loaded, put what little bits left in here, and then we'll move over to my house. Hopefully run another truckload. They're open till 8 o'clock tonight. I can get that empty and be back, then we should be able to fit all of mine on the truck and in the cart again. That's the plan. Now he's only got one round, maybe a little bit more, and that'll all fit in the combine. We got 2 dumps in the grain cart. So this back here, it tailed off a little bit, different variety. And whoa, sorry, hang on. Is that better? Oh yeah. Different variety, and it was a good 10 to 20 bushels less per acre. So I'm going to take this up and dump it in the truck. He can bring the combine up and see if there's room. Get it all in the truck. Get this rig and the combine moved over to my house. He can get going over there. I'll run the semi to the Andersons and dump it, and we'll go from there. So I'll see you up there. Well, the way it works out in this field, you got to dump over the tarp. Let me show you. The tarp on the trailer rolls this way, so you can't see, I can't see the bows or anything. So that'll be done back there in just a couple minutes and head up this way. So I'll have him go up and stand on front of the trailer up there, and he can direct me. So I don't want to throw a bunch of wheat off on the other side. So well, let's go see what's in there. Now's when you need a remote control tractor. I could stand up here and push the buttons and go. Yeah, it'll all fit in here. I think the monitor's off. Oh well, I see Dad's on his way. So I'll wait for him. All right, Dad's up on the front of the trailer. So we are engaging. well, it fit with a lot of room to spare. Monitor's off. We never calibrated this monitor for wheat. So, just going to my house, so I told Dad I'll drive it over there with the head on it. It's a pain in the ass if you meet anybody. Hang on. All right, I got the combine over there. Dad pulled in the driveway, grabbed the pickup truck, come and picked me up, took me back to the barn. Now I'm in Bertha in the grain cart, obviously. So I'm going to take that over there, parked in the lane. Then Dad's going to take me back to his house. I'm going to get in the semi and head to Toledo. Well, actually, Mommy. Hold on, steering on camera. Sorry about that. There we go. So, yeah. So then I'm going to head to Maumee, get that truck empty, get back over here so he can fill it up, and maybe I can make it back up there again the night before 8 o'clock when they close. See you in a minute. Well, we made it up here to the Andersons. Uneventful drive up, thank goodness. Traffic wasn't too bad on 75. It was a little crowded in places, but I can't believe there's nobody sitting in line up here. But that's good. Drive right through, turn around and get back. They close at 8, so I won't make it back. So instead of getting up and leaving for Mines and Meadows in the morning, I'll be getting in the truck and delivering another load of wheat tomorrow morning. And we'll see what the weather does, whether we go to Pennsylvania or not. Torn, I want to go over there and ride in this new park, or new to us park, never been there, but I don't want it to rain until we get all the wheat off. And actually, I don't want it to rain then either, because I got spraying to do. See me okay? Truck there, there's a truck park dumping in the old corn, ear corn dump. Huh. Wonder if that's wheat. Man, I'm gonna pull right under the dump. Well, that wasn't good. Moisture's good. Test weight's all right. 57 for the test weight. I wish it was more. It should be 61. But I got 8.5% sprouts. So that's $2 a bushel. $2 a bushel discount. $6.95. So $4.95 wheat. And it's not even that, because this was a contract. It was only $6 contract that I did last fall when the price was $4 something, and they offered, well, it's just into the fives, and they offered $6 wheat contracts for this year, and I took 500 bushel. So yeah, $6 contract makes it $4 wheat. That hurts. That hurts. All right, well, I'm going right up here on number 9. All right, see you. Well, we get the climb the hill and do the twisty turn. I know you're not sitting level, but 88,800 pounds. Alright, I'm gonna go dump this thing. Well, that sucked. Wind blowing from back there this way. Dust everywhere. In the truck. Couldn't see. Yeah, oh well, we'll get out of here. Go home, fill her up, bring her up in the morning. Oh, sorry, hand in the way. All right, welcome back, everybody. Battery went dead on me. And, I've been kind of busy. So mine's all done. Well, Dad's is all done. I hauled that to town. Well, you've seen that, the bad news with the sprout situation. And, I got mine all done, and it's in the semi. So that sucks that it wasn't more than that, but it is what it is. So get the fuel pumping in this thing. Glad I got the long hose. Hopefully she works. Oh yeah. That pump's about shot. And she's old. Pump's old as I am probably. But it came with the tank. And it still works. It just ain't the fastest. But anyhow, yeah, we're done. So or I should say done here. So if it don't rain, we'll get moved over to Woodville tomorrow and hopefully finish that up. I'll be back. All right, well, that's a wrap. What are you two doing? Two peas in a pod. Tweedledee and Tweedledum. It's 5 minutes till 10. Got everything put away in the barn and sat up here and drank a couple beers in the garage with Dad. Made a game plan for tomorrow. So I'm going to get in the truck first thing in the morning, get up there, get that unloaded. Give Dad a call when I head home or head to Woodville, and he'll come over and pick me up. Take the combine over and header cart, come back, get the grain cart, get that over there. hopefully there's not a heavy dew like last night. It was ridiculously wet this morning. So we didn't get started till 1:30 or whatever, and it was wet. So hopefully it's not that wet tomorrow morning and we can get an earlier start and get her finished up. Might make it to Pennsylvania yet. Not holding my breath though. Good night, everybody.